Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the last practical. Name is analysis of variance and part 2 analysis of RBD, that is two-way ANOVA. When we use the RBD, if the fertility of soil is increase or decrease in one direction and if your experimental material, that is land, is heterogeneous, then we use the RBD. RBD design is used all of the principles: replication, randomization and local control. The example is make the ANOVA for RBD and write down conclusion. Okay, the example is we are given the A, B, C, D, E, F. There are 6 treatments, each repeated 4 times. Okay, so the value of K is here 6 and the R value is 4. Okay, so here we are given the 6 treatment, each repeated 4 times. So the procedure of analysis is same as the CRD. First calculate the only the difference is that in CRD we calculated only the treatment total, that is only the column total, and in RBD also calculate the replication total, that is row total also. Okay, so first find out the column total and row total. So what is the T1? T1 with the sum of all the values of treatment 1, that is 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6, that is 15. So T2 value is 16, T3 13, T4 10, T5 16 and T6 is also 16. Now the R1 with the row total, that is replication of all the treatments. Okay, R1 is equal to 15, that is 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 5. Then R2 is 3 plus 6 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3. So R2 value is 26. Similarly calculate R3 and R4 also. So the first step is to calculate the grand total. So how to calculate the grand total? T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 plus T5 plus T6, or R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4. So the value of grand total is 86. What is meant by grand total? Sum of all the observations. Okay, so the value is 86. Now let's next calculate the CF, that is correction factor. What is the formula? GT square divided by N. What is GT? Grand total. What is the value of grand total? 86. So 86 square. And what is the value of N? The total observations we are given in example is 24. So 86 square divided by 24. So the value is 308.16. Now the next calculate SST, that is treatment sum of square. So what is the formula for calculating the treatment sum of square? Formula is T1 square divided by R, T2 square divided by R plus T3 square divided by R up to dash T6 square divided by R minus correction factor. Here T6 because we are given the 6 treatments. Okay, now just plug the values of T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6 and R and correction factor in the formula. So T1 square 15 square is equal to 225 divided by R value is 4. T2 square divided by 4, that is 256 divided by 4, then 169 divided by 4, then 100 divided by 4, 256 divided by 4, 256 divided by 4 minus correction factor value is 308.16. So the value of SST is 7.34. Okay, now the calculate SSR, that is replication sum of square. So here we are given the 4 replications, R1, R2, R3 and R4. Now what is the formula for calculating the replication sum of square? The formula is R1 square divided by K, R2 square divided by K, R3 square divided by K plus R4 square divided by K minus correction factor. Here the R4 up to R4 because we are given only the 4 replications. Now just plug the values of R1, R2, R3, R4, K and correction factor in the formula. So 15 square divided by 6 plus 26 square divided by 6 plus 19 square divided by 6 plus 26 square divided by 6 minus 308.16. So the value is 14.82. So this is the value of correction SSR. Okay. Now the next is TSS. What is the formula for TSS? So the formula is double summation Yij square minus correction factor. Okay. So double summation Yij square means this squaring each and every values from the given series of data. Okay, so 4 square plus 3 square plus 2 square plus 6 square up to 2 square plus 6 square. So double summation Yij square value is 386 and minus correction factor value is 308.16. So TSS value is 77.84. So formula is double summation Yij square minus CF. Double summation Yij square value is 386 minus correction is 308.16. So last is SSE, that is error sum of square. So what is the formula? In CRD, SSE formula is TSS minus SST. But in RBD we already calculated that SSR also. So the source of variation is for replication also present in the RBD. So subtract SSR also. So SSE formula is TSS minus SST minus SSR. Just plug all the values in the formula. So SSE value is 55.68. Now the last ANOVA. So the first column is source of variation, then degrees of freedom, then sum of square, then mean sum of square, and the last is F ratio. Here the source of variations are treatment, then replication, then error, and the last is total. Okay, so the treatments, how many treatments we are given in example? We are given 6 treatments, and the replications, there are 4 replications. Okay, so for treatment, what is the degrees of freedom? We are given 6 treatments, so degrees of freedom is 6 minus 1. For replications, we are given 4 replications, so 4 minus 1, so 3 degrees of freedom for the replication. And total, for total, how many observations we are given? The total 24 observations we are given. So 24 minus 1, that is 23. Now how to calculate the error degrees of freedom? So error degrees of freedom is calculated as total degrees of freedom minus treatment minus replication. So 23 minus 5 minus 8, minus 5 minus 3, minus minus get plus. So 5 minus 3, that is that is 8. 5 plus 3, that is 8. So 23 minus 8, that is 15. So error degrees of freedom is 15. Now just plug the sum of square values. For the treatment sum of square, what is the value? 7.34. We are already calculated it. Now the SSR, that is replication sum of square value, is 14.82. Error sum of square value is 55.68. And the total sum of square value is 77.84. Now just plug the 77.84 here. Okay, now the mean sum of square. Mean sum of square is calculated as sum of square divided by degrees of freedom. So 7.34 divided by 5. So MST is equal to 1.468. So this is the value of MST. Now MSR value is 14.82 divided by 3. So 4.94. So this is the value of MSR, that is mean sum of square due to replication. And last MSE value is 3.7112. So this value is nothing but the 55.68 divided by 15. So value is 3.712. Now the last is F ratio. So the F ratio is calculated as, here there are 2 F ratios. First is for treatment and next is for replication. So the first F ratio F1 is MST divided by MSE. So MST divided by MSE, that is MST value is 1.468 divided by 3.712. So the value is 0.395. Now the second F ratio value F2 is MSR divided by MSE. So MSR value is 4.94 divided by 3.712. So the value is 1.3308. Now the last is hypothesis testing. There are the two hypotheses for F1 and F2 separately. So for F1, the treatment, all hypothesis to be tested that all the treatments effects are same versus all the treatment effects are not same. Here the F1 value is 0.395 and F table we are given in example value is 2.90. So which value is greater? Here the F table value is greater. So if F table value is greater, then we accept H0. So our result is accept H0. That means all the treatment effects may be same. Now the second for F2, replication means blocks. In the RBD design, the number of blocks is equal to the number of replication. So write down hypothesis to be tested that all the blocks or replication effects are same versus all the blocks or the replication effects are not same. Here the F2 value is 1.3308 and the F table value we are given in example is 3.29. So here the F table value is greater, and if F table value is greater, then we accept H0. So what is H0? All the block effects, that is replication effects, are same. So our conclusion is all the block effects may have the same effect. So this is the analysis of variance for RBD, that is two-way ANOVA. Thank you.